Where do you want to go, boss?
We can't go anywhere. We're in that building over there.
You got that guy. Of course, you're not gonna go out. What's that?
That guy in the building right there by the outhouse. I don't know if you can get a shot on him. No, I got it.
This barrel fucking sucks, dude. I can't hit shit from this range.
Is that the South barrel for the
Nah, it's a Pathfinder. 14 inches. It fucking sucks.
I got a 16-inch red. I love this thing.
Yeah, some dude was telling me a freak barrel is good to get.
Freak barrels?
The dude from the pro shop down there.
Freak barrels. Watch your right side. I see them moving up.
All right.
Holker, watch your left side. Holker, watch your left side. Watch the left side.
God, this fucking barrel sucks. Oh, good shit.
Yes, buddy.
It's like they're moving up to the plane.
No, that's not our field. That's a different field.
No, those dudes are with us. Oh, that guy, dude, I hit you like 5 minutes ago, bro. What are you doing in here? Huh? No, I hit you in those buildings like 5 minutes ago. I know, that one is out.
David, get down. David, we're taking hits from the building, from the left building and the right building. So just watch your left side.
Oh, Ron, check me.
You're good. I've just been taking people out of the building.
Oh,
Get down. No, you're good. Get down lower. Okay. Where are they? Tower and... Hey, is that a trench right in front of us?
What the heck?
Yeah.
I got him. I shot him in the time.
Oh, shit. Yeah, they're still getting us from the tower. That's better. Ciao, David.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I got him in the window. Window's done.
I already got him in the time. He didn't get off.
Yeah, I just shot him in the face.
Hey, kid, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, don't do that. They're getting us from that tower up there.
If you can put a little fire, I'm gonna move all the way over there. If you can just give me something.
Let's use right.
Got that guy under the bridge. You too, he's gone. You're gone, all you. Check that guy. Shake his hand. Dad, get one of those guys. There's two there.
30 seconds, guys! That's what I walk in. Watch that. Watch that.
Hey, hey! I'm rushing over here. If you got me covered, baby.
Walk up with the tape. Back to back, Anthony? Nope. Not today.
That was fun.
Yeah. I didn't have to do anything.
I told you, remember I told you I was going to run to that box shit? That fucking velocity. Stuck me in the finger.
I got it. It's capping your ass too.
Hell yeah, dude. That's the worst place to run.
That game was kind of a little.
Huh?
That side of the field is part of this field?
What do you mean, what side?
The side that you went up to.
Up this, yeah. Up to these poles,
That was crazy.
going all the way across.
I would have run up there from you. You know what wants to? That sniper car, man. Oh, I hate that sniper car. They're just lobbing pain at you. It's like, man, makes it more fun. Yeah. And I've been shot and it bounces, but it still hurts like a mother. Yeah, it hurts more when it bounces. I can leave happy now. Yeah, we wrapped them on that. Hey, good job, Ken.
Thanks, yeah.
Hey, that was great. I saw you two both right in the middle, man. You're at the end.
Fuck, I almost had my first pistol kill, but they blew the whistle on the fucking guy's fucking chest, dude.
Oh, you're next to the bus, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you. I didn't know if you were us or not, because you're so far ahead.
Yeah.
I was like, is that our guy? Yeah, he's like, he has to be. He's looking the other way.
I knew it's really for Ken's like that already. I'm still working my way in.
Yeah.